Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your Samsung Tab A11. So first, we want to toggle Wi-Fi off and on in the settings. So open up the settings and go to connections. You will be there automatically after you open up the settings. Click on the Wi-Fi right here and now turn it off for a second. So now wait a couple of seconds, it should be around 5 seconds. So we're gonna enable it right now. And now we should be able to connect to a network. If there are still some issues, then what you guys can do is forget and reconnect to the same network in the settings here. So click on the gear icon. Now we need to go over and click on forget right here. And now we have successfully forgotten the network. So as you guys can see, I'm already connected to the other one. So I'm gonna forget this one too. And now I'm gonna go over and of course I'm getting another network, but we're gonna go over and connect to the other network again. So I'll see you guys after I enter the password. Now I have successfully entered the password and now let's just click on connect. As you guys can see, we are successfully connected to the network. Now, if there are still some issues, then what you guys can do is restart the router and the tablet. So I cannot show you how I restart the router because it's totally in a different room. But you have a little button on the back side of the router. You just need to turn it off and turn it on. This counts as a restart. And to restart the tablet, we need to hold the power button only. Now hold it until you see this menu right here. Click on restart and tap again to restart the tablet. Now I'll see you guys once the tablet turns on. Now the tablet has successfully restarted. Let's swipe to unlock it and enter the password if you have one. Now you will see a notification that the tablet is starting, so we've done everything correctly. And all we have to do next is check for the software updates in the settings. So it's very important to update your software because when there's kind of glitches, including the Wi-Fi not working, the software update can fix it. So scroll all the way down here until you see the software update. Now click on download and install, and here click the download and install again. As you guys can see, it will automatically check for updates and my software is up to date. As you guys can see, my One UI version is 7.0 and my Android version is 15. So everything's good. But if you haven't updated your software, then I recommend you guys to do that because it's very important. It can fix a lot of glitches. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.